Keeping up with industrial digital technology, IDT, trends is tough. Trends like AI, VR and AR, robotics, and advanced computing capabilities. But if we don't keep up, the productivity gap that exists between the UK and other G7 countries will increase. If we can close that gap, the UK's GDP could increase by around £180 billion annually. These new technologies could optimise manufacturing processes, monitor equipment performance, improve supply chain management, and improve products and services, increasing value for customers. But how do manufacturing leaders know which technology solves their problems, which IDT providers to partner with, and how to implement the technology? Researchers from Loughborough University and Queen's University Belfast investigated this challenge. They examined large-scale surveys and case studies across multiple industries. Open innovation could be the answer. Open innovation means working with external partners to find solutions to project-specific problems. But how do manufacturers and IDT providers build these collaborations? The researchers developed a roadmap for managing open innovation collaborations. The first step is understanding whether the project is simple or complex. A simple project would be something with few, if any, interdependent parts or elements. Things like adding digital devices to your production machinery to gather real-time data to improve processes. A complex project is something like a smart factory build where there are lots of highly integrated and interconnected parts that need multiple advanced technologies. Let's follow the route for a simple project. Here, businesses crowdsource to contract out the development of the technology solution. If very few individuals or companies have the knowledge required, then manufacturers can use technology such as machine learning to identify and hunt for specialist solution providers. But if many individuals or companies have the expertise, managers fish for the right collaborators by relying on open innovation intermediaries to advertise their project requirements, as there is so much choice. Solution providers come to them. What about a complex project? Businesses must engage in close partnerships with collaborators that enable knowledge sharing and direct interactions. If the knowledge of relevant technology providers is available, manufacturers could explore non-equity collaborations with their IDT providers. If such knowledge is not available, then mergers, acquisitions, joint ventures or consortia where equity is shared might be better. Open innovation improves access to shared resources, reduces the time for technology implementation, and increases technology customization, making it more likely that technology solves a business's problem. Ultimately, open innovation has the potential to maintain competitive advantage in the manufacturing industry. To find out more about open innovation in your industry, visit the link on screen.